which type of mutual funds gives the highest returns? And is it right to pursue only the highest returns giving mutual fund? Industry expert Mr. Sandeep will elaborate on this now.
It's a very difficult question to answer. So typically, if you look at the returns are influenced by many factors. It is not one factor which will determine the return. So it could be economic factors, it could be market factors, it could be certain security which is being held by a particular mutual fund, and then there is a news of expansion in that particular security which can substantially improve the share price. So it is very difficult to pinpoint which kind of mutual fund would be giving you a highest return. But let me give you an analogy. So if you look at the large, mid, and small cap category over a long period of time, they all have generated a similar kind of a return. But typically what happens in the market is there are times when the large cap is performing, there are times when the mid cap is performing, and there are times when the small cap is performing. So there is no particular company or a market cap which continuously performs over a period of time. So it's a cycle. Different market cap performs at different points of time, different asset classes perform at different points of time. So similarly, the portfolios are being created with all these asset classes, different market caps. So it's very difficult to pinpoint which particular category of fund or a category of mutual fund would be giving you a highest return. But probably I'll just give you one more story here. So you will also appreciate that when, as a kid also, our parents would always compare us that you should compare yourself with the topper of the class. You should not be an average student. If somebody would say you that this movie is average movie, you would not like to see a average movie. But if you are, if the same set of people are saying, no, this movie is fantastic, this movie is great, you must see it, probably you will be able to see that movie. Mutual fund is about an average story. It's not about having a worst return or the best return. It's about getting an average return sustainable over a long period of time. That's how the SIP is very important. So what it does is you are buying more number of units when the markets are down, and you are buying less number of units when the markets are up. And this is known as rupee cost averaging, which over a period of time reduces your average cost of acquisition. So mutual fund is more about average, not about the best products.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free, and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share, and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.